Hi guys, today I want to talk about a awesome reading resource that you can use in your classroom called Newsela. I don't know if any of you have used it. If you have, that's awesome. If not, we'll go through a little demo here and show you what it can and can't do. So Newsela is a reading program. It's really easy to join. You just click on the Join Now button and you'll join with your Google. So I've already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. So once you signed in, you can actually create classes for your students to use. They are imported in Google Classroom. So if you use Google Classroom, it's super easy. You just click on Add a Class, and then you select a grade. You can import it right from Google Classroom. It's going to ask me to sign in again because I'm already signed in, but that's fine. So we'll let it sign in here. Maybe it won't sign in. Anyway, whatever. So you just sign in with Google Classroom. You select the classes that you want, and then, oh, it's going to work now. No, it's not, but that's fine. Okay, so you just click your classes. You select, you import it from Google Classroom. See, I've got my periods 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 classes. One thing you do know, if you do add students, it doesn't auto-sync. You can just resync the classes under students, and there's a resync class button, so then you can resync the classes. What Newsela is a news article company. So let's just pick an article, Indonesian forest, for example. And what it does is it's a whole news article that's written via major corporation. It's got keywords. It has all sorts of things. One cool thing is that it has, you can do power words. Power words are all your keywords in here, and your students can answer the questions for the keywords. There's also a writing piece. They can write a little summary of the article. There's a quiz that tests their knowledge of the article. So that's super easy. But this is the coolest thing here. If you look up at the top where it says English 1007 Lexile level, you can actually go max, which is almost high school level, and all the way down to 560 Lexile level, which is grade 3 for this article. It's the same content, but it limits it down to a second grade. Well, this one's third grade reading level. Some articles go all the way down to second grade, just depends on the article. Also, you can also use Spanish. So if you have those bilingual students in your classroom that you want to be able to give them both English and Spanish articles, you can assign them both. So if you look over here, if you just want to assign them, you can assign it to a class, and then you just assign it, and they have to do the article. And then one also cool thing about this is after 4 or 5 times of taking the quiz, it will automatically set the student's Lexile level individually. So you don't have to set the class level. It'll actually set the student's Lexile level. This is a real short intro. I wish I had more time to talk about how awesome this program is. I use it. I teach math science, and we actually use it for math. Try to bring reading into the math classroom, which is kind of difficult to do sometimes. And this tool allows me to bring it in at my students' levels without having to try to come up with separate different articles. They can all read the same thing. They don't feel ostracized. They love it. When they take an assignment, it winds up here in your binder. So let's see, period 6, 7, we'll say everyday mysteries. So we can drop it down and we can see what the student scored on the quiz, 100%, 25%. And then if we don't like it, we can just reset the quiz, and we can let the kids take it over again to get a better score. Sometimes they set it at too high of a Lexile level, and then they come down here and they can reset it to a lower Lexile level if that's really bothering them. So hope you guys can use this program in your schools and in your classrooms, and have a great day.